Looking to permanently delete your YouTube channel along with all your videos, playlists, and comments? Here's how to completely remove your channel in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser, go to youtube.com, and make sure you are signed in to the specific YouTube account you want to delete. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. In the left-hand sidebar menu, click on Channel. Then, in the Advanced Settings section, go to the bottom of the page and click on Remove YouTube Content. Google will ask you to re-enter your password to verify your identity. Enter your password and click Next. On the next screen, click on I want to permanently delete my content. Check both boxes to confirm that you understand this will permanently delete your YouTube videos, playlists, subscriptions, comments, and watch history. Finally, click the Delete My Content button. A pop-up will ask you to type in your email address one last time to confirm. Type it in and click Delete My Content. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech guides.